Good day, my dear friends. This is Kim from SINOMADA. We have been exporting construction machineries to over 110 countries in the past 15 years. Today, I'm in Caterpillar factory to show you the classic of highway dump truck, 773E. E is a heavy-duty mining dump truck used in open-pit mines. To complete the tasks of rock and earth stripping and road transportation, its working characteristics are short stroke and heavy load. The total weight of the chassis and the carriage can reach 39.2 tons. The truck can load up to 59.3 tons. The maximum traveling speed with full load can reach 62.2 km per hour. The truck body is designed for loading a variety of materials with varying densities. With a matching car loader, the maximum payload can be achieved in 3 to 5 loads. Dual slope body is suitable for most construction and mining applications. Okay, let's check the engine. The CAT 3412E air-to-air aftercooled diesel engine. The engine rated power is 565 kilowatts. The four-stroke design uses long power strokes to achieve complete fuel combustion and optimal efficiency. High displacement and low RPM rating extend engine life, and it meets China's Stage 2 emission standard. The ropes and fob cap has electro windows, electro hoist lever, trainer seat, front brake cutoff switch, backlit LED gear lumbers, an optional heater and air conditioner. Excellent all-around viewing area reduces fatigue and improves operator confidence and productivity. The cab is resiliently mounted and sound suppressed for quiet, protected working environment. This concludes today's Caterpillar factory tour. If you want to know more about off-highway truck and other construction machinery, please contact me via email kim@sinomada.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.